High five! Yeah! Wow! Wow! Good job! Thank you, tita. Mwah! 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 Sige, kado ate! Kado ate Paris! Aww! Cute! Ganyan ang nangyayari kapag ang anak mo ay mga babae. Oh, nagiging queen ka na.
Ow, my nose.
The crown suits daddy na.
Oh, my nose.
Celine's getting the crown. Oh no, wala giyo. Tingnan niyo. Oh. Wow, looks good. Good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday and it's currently 9:20 in the morning. We're in the car. Ayan ang ating Ate Paris sa likuran. Ito-drop natin siya sa school. Actually, we should make a move now. Habang ang ulan ay hindi pa malakas. Actually, kanina sobrang lakas, guys. Kaya hindi kami umalis kaagad. Ngayon, hindi na masyado. Ayan. Good morning, kiddos! Good morning! Say hi, ate.
Hi. I don't look very beautiful. I'm cool, but I don't look beautiful when
What do you mean?
I'm just cool.
You look cool, but you don't look beautiful. You crazy girl. You look beautiful, honey girl. You look cool and beautiful. Tingnan nyo, meron silang mga tattoo sa mukha. Kasi, it's actually 1st of November. So, it's the first day of the month. Was Halloween yesterday. So, meron silang tattoo sa mukha. Ayaw nilang ipaalis. Ayan, baby Celine has got one as well.
Again.
Next year, honey.
Next year, about 5 years old.
Yeah, you'll be 5 years old next year.
And it's gonna be Halloween next year. Oh my goodness, that's a very long sleep.
Yeah. Hindi kami nakapag-vlog yesterday, but we'll just insert some photos of Paris and Celine. So, what's Ate Paris ng costume yesterday? What was your costume yesterday, Ate?
With the Cinderella dress which had with pink.
That's right, yeah.
I was the Cinderella witch.
Was so nice, yeah? Did you enjoy?
But I didn't wear my hat there.
Which one?
The one the butterfly came on.
You wore it yesterday.
It didn't. It was flew away, remember?
Oh, yeah. Very windy, that's why. And Celine is there. Say hi, Lynn. Hi. Wave. Da. Ayan, nanonood ng kanyang nursery rhyme para hindi umiyak ba. So, drop lang natin ang ating Ate Paris and then I'll go to the post office quickly. Ayan, so may nabenta si mami nyo naman. Kaya i-drop natin sa post office. Tignan nyo ang aking plan. Nilagay ko dito kasi maulan ba para hindi mabasa.
A few moments later.
Tingnan nyo ang ating baby girl. Parang nasa classroom lang ang kanyang peg dyan, oh. Naglilinis ako dito sa kwarto, guys. I just made the bed. Tapos siya, ayan, tingnan nyo. Siya lang yung umupo dyan, ha? Hindi talaga, wala akong pakana dyan. Nilagyan ko lang ng unan sa likuran, just in case na matumba ba. Tingnan nyo. Lang. Celine. Hi! Parang niya, but desk niya talaga sa school, oh. Mura gid siya korek, oy. Nak, mura lagi kag korek, nak. High five sa mama, be. High five, quick. Ling ling. Uy. High five. Yeah. Wow. Good job. Good job. Are you enjoying? Huh? Ay, tatapusan ko muna ang aking pag-vacuum. Tingnan nyo. Vacuum pa more. Vacuum pa more, anak. Tingnan natin si Ate Paris dyan, be. Ay, wala. Umuulan kasi kaya wala sila sa labas. Tingnan nyo. Walang tao sa kanila. Bakuran. Minsan nga guys, sobrang lapit lang, no? Naririnig ko kapag may tumatawag kay Paris sa kanyang mga friends sa Kindi. Paris! Paris! Time check guys, it's now 11:11. Tignan nyo, November 1, 11:11. Oh, diba? In the morning. And I am now using my phone, obviously, yung ating iPhone 14 Pro Max. Yeah, I'm enjoying it so far. Meron lang akong ano guys, ewan ko lang kung guni-guni ko lang kasi nasanay ako doon sa iPhone 12. Yung camera niya ay sobrang, ang tawag dito, parang, kasi nagfo-focus siya at hindi ako sanay. Parang gumaganon ba? It keeps moving, hindi siya steady. And also, kapag may araw, parang, hindi siya very sharp. Parang may ano siya, parang sobrang, parang against the light or something. Kaya nga sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, dalhin ko to siya balik sa shop kung saan ko pinalagay yung, ang tawag dito, yung glass protector dito sa camera. Kasi, I am suspecting na ito yung may problema, yung glass protector na ganyan. Kasi parang nag-a-against the light siya. Meron pala tayong very, very exciting news. And, pati nga ako, hindi ako makapaniwala pa rin. But, it's going to happen. Kaya, I'll just believe na lang. Come here. Hi. Hi. Oh, flying kiss, Abi. Flying kiss, tita. Mwah. 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 Kalo lang, mama. Kalo, mama. I love you, my love. You're the sweetest girl ever. You and the Paris. Go, watch your go. No. I don't touch that one. Don't touch our camera. Don't touch our camera. May natanggap pala tayong message sa Instagram. So ako kasi guys, ma-Facebook ako, hindi ako ma-Instagram. O nagpo-post ako ng picture sa Instagram, pero parang hindi ko chine-check yung notifications. Minsan hindi ko chine-check yung mga messages. Especially yung mga nasa request folder. Hindi ko tinitingnan. So the other day, I had a chance. So tiningnan ko. At meron akong natanggap dito na message. Actually, nag-message pala siya sa akin 11th of October pa. Hala ka, 3 weeks. 3 weeks ago. So, ito yung message niya sa akin. Hi, Mom and Paris. I hope you don't mind me getting in touch and that you don't find this message too intrusive. My name is Emma, and I am a journalist working for SWNS, the largest independent news content provider in the UK. I write stories for the women's magazines and national newspapers, and I'd love to speak to you about Paris and how much she loves vlogging. If this sounds like something you might be interested in, please do get in. You okay? You alright? Please do get in touch, and then her email address. So, pinakita ko kay Daddy Mike, guys, kasi alam nyo naman na sobrang dami ng scammers na nagkalat ngayon. And, sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, does this sound legit to you? Kasi hindi ako basta-basta ngumaano sa mga message na ganito, guys. Ayaw, anak ko, kasi mama's talking to tita and tito ba? Mama's talking, mama's sharing story. Tingnan niyo ang mukha. Mama's sharing stories. Pagdating sa mga ganito, sobrang wary talaga si mami niyo. Kaya, yun, nag-ask ako na opinion ni Daddy Mike. Sabi ko, what do you think? And then sabi ni Daddy Mike, yeah, go for it. Kasi wala naman sigurong mawawala kung itry natin, diba? And, just sabi ni Daddy Mike, just make sure don't provide any personal informations. And also, kasi si Daddy Mike, he's very into this pedophile thingy, you know what I mean? Like yung mga sa news and everything, like Daddy Mike hates it very much. Hates it with a passion. Actually, I think everyone naman, but Daddy Mike is grabe talaga yung ano niya sa ganyan. Kaya sabi niya, na make sure na pag pag nausap kayo, do video call. Kasi obviously pag video call is nakikita mo yung tao, so you make sure na legit talaga yung tao, and hindi lang yung mga may mga masasamang loob dyan, di ba, na because they're asking about Paris, you know, Paris is our little girl, so you know, we make sure that she's safe. Kaya nag-message ako sa kanya, nag-email ako, sabi ko, I'm sorry kasi nga tagal kong na-open yung message request, and nag-organize kami ng time na mag-usap. So she was very happy that I emailed her. So we organized a time for dapat sana kagabi. So she's in the UK and we have 9 hours difference time difference ata. So 6:30 yung pinag-usapan namin kagabi, and then she did not call at first. So sabi ko, maybe she's not legit then. Wala namang mawawala sa amin, 'di ba? So I was fine about it. And then 7:30 may tumawag, but then I'm putting Celine to bed. So hindi ko nasagot. Nag-message siya sa akin, sabi niya, I'm very sorry, Jovi, kasi yung time ay nag-change din, yung clock nila. So, she got the time wrong. So, instead of 6:30, 7:30 sa, yung pagkaakala niya. So, sabi ko, hindi ako makakasagot kasi I'm putting my little one to bed. And sabi niya, do you think we can do it tomorrow? So, that's what we are doing tonight, 6:30 Australia, Brisbane time. Tatawag siya, and then we're going to talk about it. I think it's going to be a great opportunity kasi even though sa UK yun, diba? But then, you know, she's a journalist and she's a writer for like one of the biggest newspaper companies sa UK. So for us, it's an exposure, diba? Parang ma-expose ng ating channel, and also Paris. I'm super excited for it. And we'll see how it goes. Kung mangyari man talaga na matuloy to at ma-feature tayo sa isang newspaper sa UK, it's a massive thing, di ba? For Paris and for us, for Mom and Paris in Melbourne na channel. So, yeah, I'm looking forward to it. And I'll share with you kung ano yung mapag-usapan. Mapag-usapan namin mamaya. Are you saying bye-bye now? Are you excited now? I'm super excited for it, guys.
Mama.
Yeah?
Oh,
Like for me, I was just very grateful na na-notice na si Ate Paris, diba? Kasi, for sure, siguro nakita nila tayo sa YouTube, tapos nag-message lang sila ng private sa Instagram namin. Kasi paano nila nalaman na Paris is really into vlogging, diba? So, lunch tayo, guys. Meron akong naiwan na kanin dito. Kain tayo ng tanghalian. Meron tayong kanin. Ayan. Alam niyo ba yung kanin ko? Yung bigas na binili ko. Yung basmati rice. Ito yung Indian rice. Tingnan nyo. Sobrang like ko siya kasi it's very, parang light lang siya. Tapos, long grain pa. Long grain, which is my favorite. Ito yung ulam natin. Alam niyo ba? Niluto ko ito kagabi. And, sinigang na ulo ng salmon. Hindi bet ni Daddy Mark. Kapag mga ulo, paa, yung mga ganyan, hindi yan gusto ni Daddy Mark. So, hindi siya kumain. Iba yung kinain ni Daddy Mark kagabi. But, sobrang sarap niya, guys. Sino ba? Kaway-kaway dyan sa mga mahilig ng mga ulo. Ganyan. Initin ko lang yan. Hala, dito pa pala ang aking kape. Yung kape kong nakakalimutan kong inumin all the time. Gagawa na lang ako ng panibago. Initin ko yung sabaw para sa ang ating baby Celine ay kakagising lang din from air nap ko. Yung oras na gabi, 1:20. Saan na ba ang ating... Lalagay ko lang dito. Napakasarap. 2 ulo yung binili ko. Yung isa, kinain ko kagabi. Tapos ito ngayon. Yummers. Lagay natin ang corn. Nilalagyan ba ng mais ang sinigang, guys? Nakilaw kasi yung corn kagabi dyan. Nilagay ko na rin eh. Nilagay ko na lang din. Tingnan niyo ang baby girl. Daddy is working. Daddy is working at the same time.
That's mine.
Minding Celine. Tingnan niyo, oh. That's her favorite spot. Babalik-balik yan siya dyan.
Not touching my keyboard. That's mine.
She loves the keyboard. Have a look na. Ling. Ling. Lene.
I think she did a bit of dum-dum.
Oh, yeah. I've seen her before. Is that why you're happy now? You just did a dung-dung? Hi, Daddy.
Hello. Grab the mom.
Daddy's working. Come here, baby. Put her down here, Daddy. Come here, we'll change your bum-bum. Tingnan niyo, oh. Tingnan niyo, oh. Come on, let's go change your bum-bum first. Because you smell. Come on. Hoy. Josh! Ang mukha, oh. Ang mukha, oh. Hey, look. Look. Hi. I did a dong-dong. Up. We'll go in the bedroom.
A few moments later.
Lingy! Lin, have a look. Look what I've got.
Can I have it? What do you want?
Thank you, Mama.
But don't
You know I love strawberries.
Because I don't want you to find it on the floor, Paris.
Yum, yum. Show Mama, be.
Yeah, show me your face.
Show Mama how you eat it, be. I hope that's
Paris
sweet.
eating pineapple.
Be, tinabisan ko na ng shirt ang ating baby girl, oh. Kasi, that lady from the newspaper will call soon. Ayan, gusto niyang suotin ang kanyang, ano?
Your Paris face and she's pineapple.
Bebe? Kanyang crown.
Are you ready for the synagogue bud?
Hi, are you cuddling, Ate Paris?
Here.
Lulu. Na,
Mine?
Lini girl, cuddle Ate Paris na? Kanina pa to siya eh. Sobrang cuddle na sa kanyang ate ba? Here's Ate Paris. Here's Ate Paris. Do you wanna cuddle her? Huh? Or no?
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow.
Have this instead then.
She's been eating that one actually. She's the one who wanted to get that one from the shop. Ayush! Is it sour na? Have a look at her face. Have a look. Cuddle na naman yan yung ate. Sige, cuddle ate. Cuddle Ate Paris. Aww, cute! Hindi ko na naipakita yung mga napamili natin guys kasi pinasok na agad yung bagong ano, pagdating namin dito, pinasok agad sa fridge. Wala na akong time advance mag-isip ko natin dali Mike. Ayaw niya kasi kapag naiiwan ng dyan. So, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo yung dumating. Wait, nak! Careful, nak! That's what happened to Celine before, ate. Careful with that one,
Lady,
please.
you wanna buy it?
Dumating na itong binili ko online the other day. This is for my lashes. Kasi alam niyo ba guys, my lashes are too weak. Ayan, oh. Ilan lashes ba?
I make eyelashes too, because
You do have a lot of lashes now. It's just mama.
Buy this one and
Ayan.
see if you like it.
Pag nagpa-lash extensions ako,
Sige, ato.
ano lang, makikita mo talagang may, space na walang lashes. Anyway, so I bought this one.
Taste them, yes.
Lash Friday.
Okay,
I don't know if you've heard about it. At alam niyo ba, ang ating mga phone ay nakakatakot talaga kasi nakikinig talaga yung phone sa usapan natin. Kasi nung nagpa-lashes ako, nag-usap kami ng lash technician. Sabi ko nga na ganito, my lashes are very weak, itong ganyan. And we were talking about like the lash serum ba para maging stronger yung lashes. Alam niyo ba, pagka-uwi ko ng bahay, nag-scroll ako ng aking phone, lahat ng lumalabas na ads sa Facebook or Instagram ay yung mga lash serum. Grabe talaga, katakot talaga ba? Parang susundan, pang nagmamasid lang sila ba? Kaya, anyways, lumabas to siya at nakita ko na maganda yung kanilang reviews. So we'll see. Ito set to siya. So isa is for lashes and the other one is for eyebrow. This is for the eyebrow and this is for the lashes.
Celine, what do you think
Ayan,
it is?
so we'll see
Yes.
kung tatalag to sa akin.
Maybe it's butter, maybe it's cream.
Apply at night directly to the base of the upper lashes
If you get it,
using the
you try it.
applicator
You get it,
brush
you tell me.
provided.
But you only get one chance.
Ayan. Eyelash.
Hurry up, quick. Quick. It's not hard, Barris.
Ayan. Eyelash, the other one is for eyebrow. Shilili.
What do you think it is?
And magsusuklay muna ako ng buhok ko guys kasi it's now 6 o'clock tapos 6:30 ay tatawag na yung journalist. So dapat din ng ating pabumukha, no? Kasi mukhang pwede nang prituhan ng ating mukha. Sa oil. Kumikinan-kinan.
Daddy, Daddy, do you want to play this thing? Daddy, Daddy,
Put her down there, Bob.
Daddy, you want to play this?
She's playing peekaboo. Here, anak! Anak!
Hold up and I'll do it to her and she'll do it.
Okay.
Watch her head.
Look at Daddy. Where's Daddy? She's playing peekaboo.
Daddy, I want to take a peek here. Daddy, you help her.
Put her down, Bob. Put her down.
Daddy.
Huh?
Let her do the peekaboo herself.
She just keeps coming wanting to be carried by me. Look.
Nak, do the peekaboo to Daddy, Nak.
No, I want to do the peek.
You come on that side and go.
No.
Ah!
What happened? Look. Not too loud, uy. Tang-tang mo na itong boy-boy. Ate sa zombie.
Again.
You don't have to go far, ate. Blood doon here na.
I'm Paris Zombie.
Sige pa.
Me Zombie Paris. Okay, I want to be a zombie again. One more time.
Malaki na talaga ang ating baby silin. At tingnan niyo. Peekaboo daw.
No!
Do it, here.
Paris, Celine, zombie queen.
How you gonna do? Peekaboo. Go peekaboo with daddy. Scare daddy.
Celine,
Dilim, boy.
come on. Come on, Sam.
Where's daddy? Where's daddy, Ling? Where's daddy? Huh?
Celine, follow me.
Hang on, nak. Hang on, nak. She's... Look, nak, wait, nak. Let's see what she does. Aww, Carol daddy? Daddy's crying.
Daddy, what's wrong? Daddy, what's wrong?
I'm scared.
It's okay, Daddy, it's okay.
I'm scared.
Stop it. Okay.
I'm scared.
Stop. It's okay.
I'm scared because of the zombies.
We're not real.
Really?
Yeah, we're just people.
Touch daddy's head, Silini. Oh. Touch daddy's head lang. Daddy.
It's just
See, daddy's upset.
it's just cause of she wants to be loud and scream. She's not a real zombie.
What you gonna do, Lynn? You have to comfort daddy. You have to comfort daddy. Give daddy a cuddle. Give me a cuddle. Aww. Is daddy okay?
It's okay, Daddy.
Sorry. Hey, boo!
Love you.
Dito tingnan natin.
I try to give her a kiss.
Tingnan natin anong mga nangyayari dito.
My nose. Thank you, Powers. I love this.
Sa laki ng bahay. Nandito talaga sila sa pantor. Ang liit-liit ng space. Ganyan ang nangyayari kapag
Good style.
ang anak mo ay mga babae. Oh, nagiging queen ka na.
Ow, my nose.
The crown suits daddy na.
Oh, my nose.
Celine's getting the crown.
Okay.
Oh no, wala yun. Tingnan niyo. Oh. Wow, looks good.
Daddy.
Like this na. Maybe.
Ah!
Oh, sorry.
Ow, my head. Mommy.
Now that is the king.
Wow.
Kiss the king. Kiss the king. Kiss the king. Kiss the king.
I kissed it.
Kiss the king. Kiss the king.
Nindot kayang
Kado.
crown si king, oh. Nice.
Ow!
All day long.
Baby on the bus, go wow wow wow
Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow. Baby on the bus say wow, wow, wow. All day long. The mommy on the bus say shh, 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 shh. The mommy on the bus say shh, all day long. The daddy on the bus says, I love you, I love you, I love you. The my daddy on the bus said, I love you all day long. The horn on the bus go beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus go beep, 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 all day long. Yay! Good job. Well done, baby. Well done.
Pero sa mo dit?
Watermelon. Ang bulingit na bata man. Goodbye na, oh. Karong pag-isuot ni ba? Goodbye na rin eh. Tarawa ra.
Kuya. Gani. Magmuda. Huwag siya na human mami. Gandahin pa.
Okay, twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world. So, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Yay! Good job! High five na yun! High five! High five! Oh, shush! High five na yun! Oh, shush! Ay, kiss tayo kay mama! Kiss tayo yun! We're having a conversation here, guys. Nag-vlog ko video call. Yung family ko, guys, ay naasa.
He fell asleep. He fell asleep.
You fell asleep?
Yeah.
The prince needs to kiss you.
They do kiss me.
Where's your prince?
They
Where's
can't-
the prince?
He's asleep.
It's not like he's the prince. Prince Jakey.
Yeah, lagi ko nung daddy.
Jakey, he's in Melbourne.
Your daddy's your prince.
Jake is in Melbourne now.
Jakey in Melbourne.
Oh, you know, we will see Jake na this weekend. Magani sila Gold Coast. Pautan si Paris maka. Ato ay impromptuhon si Paris pautan na. If you make a lot of money, what are you going to do with it?
Save it.
Save it?
Yeah.
Save it for what?
What did you
But-
say?
So I can go get something, but it's not for just toys.
Not just for toys.
It's actually for food and dresses.
For the dresses too?
What plano mamahin, Bart?
Huh?
Bart! Bart! Paris!
Yeah?
What's... Pautan na ma.
Info ko, magkuha naman tag-English na to ani pag-uli ni mo, be.
I have
Basta
those
nag-picture
stickers.
subod ka ron, ha?
Love, love.
Ha, heart? What's the color of the heart?
This one is silver.
The one is silver. The one is silver. Silver?
Silver.
Silver. Okay, silver. How about that one?
It's red.
It's red. Glittery red.
I also have that color.
And that's pink.
Yeah.
Oh, see, that's clever.
Okay, what's-
That's
okay.
very clever, like Paris.
What's this color?
Which one? Show Tita. That's red.
What's this?
Ah. Silver. That's silver.
No.
What's that? That's white?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought it was silver. No. What is? Okay. I've gone
Where have
to
you been today? Where have you been today?
shops.
Shops? Did you go shopping?
Yeah, and we also went to the pool.
Did you buy something for Tita? Because since you're going to the Philippines very soon,
We do. We
you need to
did.
buy a lot of chocolate.
We did.
You did already?
We
Yay!
no, we didn't buy any today, but we did buy something. It's very big and long.
You didn't buy any today? But you did buy already.
I have too much chocolate at my house, and I'm giving it.
Careful, Paris, Nicole. Careful na.
It's okay.
Yes.
I want to show you a very special one. I have a very special one.
Si Kuan,
I have a very special chocolate. I'll show you it.
Saan nga si Snow White?
Nasangit. Nasangit sa apple. Sanga sa apple.
Kinahina, bakit? Kinaulan na.
The box. You have to do the box.
Ma, and
Hungry.
look at this.
Ano, ano si...
It's very long. Look at this. It's very long. Look how long is this chocolate?